Alright, so I finally figured out how to open up this tablet. If you have one like this, you're going to have to remove these little rubber feet. I recommend doing this with a little sewing needle, and that will reveal 3 different screws. The 4th screw is hidden under the kickstand. Once you take those out, if you turn your attention to the top and bottom of the tablet, there are 3 little holes, and these holes basically allow you to push out the little metal tabs inside. So I did this with a sim ejector tool. You can also do this with a sewing needle as well. And to get it apart, I just alternated between pushing on it and prying it with the little iFixit guitar pick until it finally came loose. This takes a very long time, so be patient, and also be mindful that the screen ribbon cable is attached to the bottom of the tablet, so be very careful at the bottom. Now, of course, before you can fully detach the screen from the rest of the assembly, you will have to unplug the ribbon cable for the screen itself. Once you've detached the screen, it's just a simple matter of removing the tape on the hard drive and the board until you can get out everything you need. And the battery is underneath the board on this assembly. It is soldered down, so if you do want to get that, you will have to desolder it. The speaker is also soldered down, so be very careful with it.